Hello guys, how are you? How are you doing? My name is Luciana Creative and this is a beautiful evening where I'm coming to give you my evening routine, guys. But basically, I just want to show you guys how I get rid of all this makeup in case I have makeup through the day, and also to protect my pores and my skin, ni avoid rashes and some the blackheads zenye zinatokeanga because ya dust yenye umekuwa nayo the whole day. So I just want to give you a very small skin preparation before I go to sleep, and by the grace of God you can also do supper together and go to sleep together, guys. So guys, first things first, I'll start with holding my hair together. Okay, first of all, tutoe earrings. Oh my God. Tutoe pete. Then try and hold our hair together like that. Now tuirudishe nyuma. And then napenda hiki kofia. I hate it but I like venye iko na rubber band hapa mbele. So inashikilianga hizi edges zisitokane. Hiyo rubber. Like it's so good to hold your edges together. So I start with using my makeup removing wipes. Utumiangi tu zile wipes za kawaida, unachukua makeup removing wipes and these ones are really nice, guys. I got them from Vilora Beauty. So nakuja tu napanguza. Hizi nazo ni one time, unaenda ukipita nayo yote. Pap. No. Unaweza tumia moja ama utumie mbili, but mimi nimetumia tu wipe moja. Then after ku wipe, I take this cleanser. This is a rice cleansing foam. It's a cleansing foam. So I just do like this. Na una make sure hujaiguzisha kwa macho. Nimeweka mingi. Uzuri wa hii cleanser inakwanga a lot, like unaweza tumia kadogo but ni mingi. At this point, you just take whatever you like to wipe your face with. Me, I like to take a small towel. Then, before nioshe uso, oh my God. Before nioshe uso, I just wipe everything off. I do like this to make sure imeosha pores kabisa, like imetoa everything, every residue ya dust na makeup inaweza kuwa imebaki kwa skin yangu. So I'll just do that. And I do this before sasa niende kuoga mwili. So after kupanguza hivyo, nafungua maji yangu, naosha uso. Badala ya kupanguza hivi, badala ya kuzungusha kupanguza, just tap the face hivi. Si force maji, because you need that moisture also on your skin, like usijipanguze udry uso kabisa. Like that's my face guys, after removing makeup and all those things on my face. So yeah, so after hapo we just go to the bathroom, we shower, then we do the rest of the night routine. We take care of our skin, we take care of tupake a night cream, and we go to sleep. Finally, that is how my face looks. Woo! And I can give you a tip. Msiulize mbona nimevaa nguo usiku. I need to go for a TikTok live, and I'm not able to show you guys nikipika because I have a lot of things that I need to do. But I just wanted to show you guys my skin prep routine before I go to bed, you know. And because I'm going on TikTok live, I won't show much. So thank you so much for watching. And after prepare also before ulale, it is good to apply a night cream. And a night cream should be a cream that is not greasy, and we are all, yani kitu haitachafua bed sheets zako usiku. You get? So unaweza DM us at Virola Beauty 0723 500 100 if you think my skin is giving. Yeah, so thank you so much guys for watching. See you on the next one. Mmekuwa mkiniambia Luciana achana na gel, sijui nini. Sasa nataka kuuliza, leo nimesema niende break ya kushukwa, nivae wig. This is one of my oldest wigs actually. This is the second wig I ever bought. So nimeenda, nimewekwa ikae for a few days guys before nirudi Serene Splendor nikashukwe tena. So what do you guys think? Should I do more wigs? Should I do more kushukwa ama nirudie zile gel zangu za kwa kina ndoa?